Welcome to a world of possibilities with ChatGPT plugins. Enhance your ChatGPT experience by unlocking new features and capabilities. Browse and install plugins from the official plugin library to expand ChatGPT's functionalities. Discover a wide range of plugins to customize and personalize your ChatGPT interactions. Adding a plugin to ChatGPT is as easy as clicking the Install button. Receive a confirmation notification upon successful installation. Experience the power of new features in your ChatGPT conversations. Unlock enhanced functionalities and make your interactions more dynamic. Ensure the security and integrity of your ChatGPT by installing plugins from trusted sources. Avoid risks by staying away from unknown or untrusted plugin sources. Expand the horizons of ChatGPT by utilizing plugins for various tasks and interactions. Discover new possibilities and unlock the full potential of ChatGPT. In conclusion, ChatGPT plugins offer endless opportunities for customization and innovation. Visit the official plugin library and explore the exciting world of ChatGPT plugins today.